Antigens are normally processed by antigen-presenting cells and presented to T helper cells on class II MHCs. Only the T helper cells with T cell receptors capable of interacting with the antigen are stimulated to produce cytokines. The activated T helper cell stimulates only B cells that react with the same antigen, thereby limiting the response to the production of antibodies that were presented. Superantigens, such as the toxic shock syndrome toxin produced by Staphylococcus aureus, are not processed by antigen-presenting cells. Instead, they bind directly to the outer portion of an MHC class II antigen on antigen-presenting cells and to the outer portion of the T cell receptor of T helper cells. Rather than binding to only the cells specific for that antigen, which represent about 1 in 10,000 T cells, the superantigen binds without antigen specificity to as many as 2% to 20% of the T cells. This results in stimulation of many T helper cells. The result is the release and activity of excessive amounts of interleukin-2, IL-2, and other cytokines that enter the bloodstream instead of only acting locally as they normally do. This leads to symptoms of fever, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and sometimes shock, with failure of many organ systems, circulation failure, and often death.